Hello, welcome back lovelies. I hope you're having a good day. I'm just about to make it a little bit better. Alright, this apple and citrus porridge is frigging amazing. Alright, I'm making enough to serve two, but you can absolutely double and triple the recipe. I will write the recipe below with all the different instructions. So today we're going to do it in the saucepan, but underneath I will also write the directions if you want to microwave it. First of all, we need 2/3 of a cup of rolled oats. So we don't use quick oats in this, we use rolled oats. I always buy the Uncle Toby's. We want 1 cup of milk. Now I'm using full cream milk, but you can also use the skim. 1/3 of a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sultanas. You can use raisins too if you want instead. Now we need 1 large apple, but I've only got little ones, so I'm going to use 2. We want to peel them. Now you can use any apple that you want. You don't have to use Granny Smith's, you can use anything. Oh, this is just all I've got, so that's what I'm using. But I do love using the Red Delicious, because it's so sweet. Okay, cut it into quarters. Alright, so you cut the ends off. Do a V in the middle, turn it around, do the other V, pop it out. Okay, do that to all of them. Once we've done that, we want to grate them into the saucepan. Now we need 1 teaspoon of orange rind grated. So we need a little grater like this. And 1 teaspoon is roughly half an orange. And we just want to very gently just grate the orange off. Once we've done that, we want to stick it in our saucepan. Give it a good mix through with a spoon. Once we've mixed it through really well, we now want to put it on the stove top on a medium heat. We want to just keep stirring it until it thickens and it's cooked. So basically, once it starts boiling, that's when it will start thickening. Alrighty, that only takes about 5 minutes. So once it starts boiling and popping, basically stir it for 1 extra minute after it gets to that, and you've got it perfect every time. Oh, mate, you have got a stunning little breakfast. Now, it's only optional, you don't have to if you don't want to, but you can add a little milk. I love the rim of milk, always have. Optional is a little pinch of cinnamon. Oh baby, take me there. Boom, there you have it. Oh my god, the nicest brekkie ever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I'll be back really soon. Bye.